Originally hailing from Cambridge, England, six-time space shuttle astronaut Michael Foale began his pursuit to the stars not long after earning his doctorate in astrophysics at the Cavendish Laboratories. In 1982, he moved to Houston, Texas, to work on space shuttle navigation at McDonnell Douglas Aircraft Corporation. In 1983, Foale joined NASA's Johnson Space Center as a payload officer in the Mission Control Center. He oversaw payload operations of commercial satellites deployed on earlier space shuttle missions, including STS-51G, 51I, 61B, and 61C. Foale was selected as a NASA astronaut candidate in June 1987 and tested shuttle flight software. He became a NASA astronaut in 1988. Foale trained at the Cosmonaut Training Center in Star City, Russia, to prepare for long-duration flights on the Russian space station Mir. Foale served as a crew member on 5 Space Shuttle and 1 Soyuz mission. He launched on his first flight, STS-45, on March 24, 1992, aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis.
3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Atlantis.
Houston, Atlantis, in the roll.
Roger, roll, Atlantis.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis is rolling to the proper.
The 10-day mission included the first of the Atmospheric Laboratory for Applications and Science series, or ATLAS, to study the atmosphere and solar interactions. His next mission was STS-56 in April 1993, aboard Space Shuttle Discovery.
3, 2, 1. We have ignition. We have liftoff of Discovery on the second mission to Planet Earth research flight.
The mission carried Atlas II and the Shuttle Point Autonomous Research Tool for Astronomy Retrievable Satellite, or Spartan, that made observations of the solar corona.
And liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery on a mission to prepare for the next era of world cooperation in space.
Foale made his first spacewalk during STS-63 in February 1995. The mission, aboard Space Shuttle Discovery, was the first rendezvous with the Russian space station Mir. Among other duties, he evaluated extremely cold spacesuit conditions.
3, 2, 1. We have booster ignition and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Atlantis, maintaining America's constant presence in space.
He launched aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis on STS-84 in May 1997 to join the Mir 23 crew. During his 145-day mission, Foale conducted science experiments and then helped re-establish Mir after it was degraded by a collision and depressurized. He completed a 6-hour EVA in a Russian Orlan spacesuit to inspect damage to the Mir's Spectre module. He returned to Earth aboard Atlantis on STS-86. Two years later, in 1999, Foale served as a crew member on STS-103 aboard Space Shuttle Discovery.
We have booster ignition and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery on a mission to repair the Hubble Space Telescope as we venture into the 21st century.
His 8-day mission included an 8-hour EVA to repair and upgrade the Hubble Space Telescope. Foale launched on his final mission aboard a Soyuz TMA-3 in October 2003 from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan to the International Space Station. He served as Expedition 8 Commander during his 194-day stay aboard the space station. During his career as an astronaut, Foale logged more than 374 days in space and performed 4 spacewalks, totaling 22 hours and 44 minutes. He retired from NASA in 2013 to pursue his dream of developing an electric aircraft, with the goal to reduce the cost of flying by 90% as part of his passion for green aviation. He currently serves as an advisor for the Inspiration Mars Foundation. Congratulations to Michael Foale. His accomplishments embody what it means to be a member of the United States Astronaut Hall of Fame.